Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very special unboxing, something that came in from a vendor. I don't know if this is something that was sent to me to check out or what have you. So let's take a look. I'm not really sure, but let's see what we got, all right? Today I'm opening up with my Microtech MSI in orange G10. Really like this knife, and especially like the ram lock, because it really is meant to be one-handed. Left-handed or right. See, it kind of treats it like the OTF, I think. I like that. All right, so let's see what this is. Okay. What do we got here? Oh, got a bunch of, BergBlades. Okay, BergBlades, that's what it is. A bunch of nice stickers. I like stickers and I like patches. Very, very cool. I like all of those. So go up on my wall of stickers for sure. I'll put this over here. Nice little box. Save that for repackaging and shipping. All right, nice little pouch here. I like this a lot. Cool design, very cool. Ooh, double zipper and everything. Nice inside Velcro. Cool, cool. All right, so it's one of these sealed ones. Let's see what we got. Go ahead and close that up. I suspect, ooh, it's warm because it was outside in the mailbox. We're in Texas and it's hot. Oh yeah, so this is a COA right here. So let's take a look at that. Certificate, the Sweeney 20CV, titanium, carbon fiber, date 2023. A bunch of really neat stickers. I like that. Definitely gonna check those out. And patches. All right, so here we are at the Sweeney. Carbon fiber, beautiful. Yeah, nice. Shredded carbon fiber. I don't see any voids. Am I seeing that correctly? Typically you see voids. Nice transition. Really, really nice. This almost feels like a Riot. I'm guessing that's what it is. Beautiful chamfering all the way around. Nice clip. Rounded on top. Yep, definitely. It's got an interesting ramp to it. Can you see that? We'll see how that goes in the pocket. It seems thin enough, so it might be okay. That could be interesting. Hidden screw on the clip, which is nice. 2 screws. I bet that's really for the inlays, and there might be a deep. Yeah, it looks like it's probably going to be a screw here. So these look like T8s all the way around. We'll check that before we open it up. I know you're probably going, open it, open it. Yeah, T8s. Oh, even T8s there, nice. And the pivot. Yeah, T8s, all T8s all the way around. Very good. Okay, cool. I like the blades, nicely rounded over here, not sharp. You got a thumb hole and a top flipper, if you will, a front flipper, whatever you want to call that. Let's see, how's the blade centered? Really nicely centered. And let's see, deep carry. It's going to be relatively deep. It's not completely hidden. It'll go about so deep, which is relatively good. It's not bad. All right. Very smooth. Love this. I don't know. This looks like it's almost like a orange peel ply, orange peel texture to it. It's really nice. That carbon fiber is outstanding. Nicely rounded all the way around. All right, here we go. Ready? There we go. Satin finish. Nice swedge on top. Beautiful blade, little drop point there. I like that. Definitely frame lock. Good lockup, about 30–40%. Looks like we got an over travel stop and a steel bar insert for sure. So that's nice. Let's see the action on the drop. Nice. Okay, okay. Let's see how it reverse flicks. Nice. Drops well. So brand new, just breaking it in. Really nice. I like the drop there. See how about over the top? Works really well with that kind of top flipper there. That's really nice. Wow. Let's try that left-handed. Works really well. You don't really have to be super careful as long as your hand's right there. Works really well. I like that. I don't have to be super careful and get all weird with my hand. Let's see. Yeah, just get up there. And it works fine. Now it is right hand tip up only, so it's not reversible, so sorry, it's not lefties, but I don't know if he was selling lefties, but you know, if this gets popular enough, I'm sure he'll have some other releases with some lefties. The action's really nice. The drop is smooth. Yeah, and let's check out that detent here. You ready? Nice click on the detent. Any detent lash? Nope, no detent lash. And let's see. Blade lockup, it's really good, nice and solid. Yeah, I love that satin finish. Look at that satin finish on that blade. It's really nice. Both sides, the BergBlades right there. Minimal anything on here. So let's see. Yeah, okay, so this is I got knife number 15. I don't know if you can see that, number 15. And, well, not really much relief going on in here because the carbon fiber scales is already bringing some relief to the titanium, but it's a nice thick piece of solid carbon fiber. It's a bolster lock, sort of. Not completely, but mostly, right? You can see that. So that helps for sure. I do like that a lot. Really cool. Really nice. Yeah, that's going to be some fun action. I think so, for sure. Let's check the edge out. Really sharp. Let's look at how did they grind that edge. Looks really good on both sides. Yeah, very even. I do like that. That's really nice. Yeah, that action's really smooth. Once it breaks in, I think it's going to be really nice. I don't think they tuned this really, really well. Yeah, they did. This is going to be really nice. And it's very smooth, so it feels like it's clean. I don't know if I have to take it apart to clean it. We'll see. Typically, I'll take a knife apart to clean it because it comes in dirty or something, but no, I think this is fine. Okay, now I'm lefty, so, I mean, I'm not a lefty, so here we go. There we go. Got to figure out the left-handed. Ooh, got to be careful there. That almost ripped my skin off. There we go. Okay. Ow, ow. It's a little rough on the hand there if you don't get the right spot up there, right? So, as a lefty, you got to, yeah. I'm not a lefty, so it's a little challenging for me. See if I can figure it out with a finger. There we go. All right. You know, every knife is new and every knife has a little different feel to it, but man, that feels really nice. Good hand. All right, so I got medium to medium large hands. So my hands are large widthwise, medium lengthwise. So got plenty of room if I do my index finger right here. Plenty of room, so extra large. But if I choke up, which works really nicely with this middle finger, I can choke up. Pretty safe. Now there's no jimping up here, but it's pretty flat. And you can put your finger here and you get a good presentation. You could definitely do some, you know, pinch grip, come up and do some cuts. It's a nice thin edge. Comes down, the edge comes pretty thin. It's a thin grind. This does look like it's probably going to be about 0.12, 0.13 inches. So, you know, it's not the thinnest blade, but boy, the edge comes quick. Now that tip comes up to a nice sharp tip point. So this is great for like letters, envelopes, boxes, mulch, dog food, cat food, you know, cases of water when you're trying to open them. I do like that a lot. Okay, so that's nice. I do like that. The drop is really nice when it comes down. And that sharpening choil catches on your finger pretty well. As long as you remember to put your finger right here to catch it, it should be pretty safe. You're not going to have a guillotine on your hand. There's a couple times I had my finger a little low, and you can see it coming down on there. But that's if my finger's way down here, and then this angles on it. So just something to keep in mind. This is definitely a nice thin slicey blade. I like that. Yeah, really comfortable. Nice rounded all the way around. Nice chamfering. Let's see here. Yeah, this is chamfered all the way around. It's the only thing that might have an edge is back here, but you know what? That's not where you're going to be. Now, if you're doing like maybe a push cut, if you're trying to like cut into some cardboard really heavy, or you're trying to do a pull cut, yeah, I mean, you're still not going to be close to that, right? So definitely right here, very large hands can fit that. And we are looking at about a 3 1/4 inch blade, so there you go. Really nice, yeah. Can't wait for this to break in. I might put a little oil on there and see what happens. Definitely. Action is really nice. And we may take it apart to see what washers we can put in there. See if we can put some skiffs on, because I do like to put skiffs in. Does it need skiffs right now? I don't think so, but would skiffs make it just a little bit nicer? Probably, you know. That's the nice thing about skiffs. You know, skiffs is more of a something you do because, you know, you just want a little better action. And sometimes it's very, very, very minuscule because sometimes they have good washers in there. And sometimes it's significant because it was a bad set of washers that were put in there. And in this case, I feel like these are pretty good washers. You know, I don't know how well that would work, but the action is pretty good. I mean, the more I carry this, let me see how it breaks in. I'm not sure if it's going to be drop shutty yet, but I'm trying to see if that top flipper is maybe just a little bit too tight. Usually I can tell that by, you know, how I get up here and do that front flip, because, you know, you should have a little leverage to be able to get that. If this is really difficult, it's you know, it's challenging. It's got some nice jimping up here. You can see that. Really good jimping for grabbing that top flipper. And it works well over the top. Reach around. Make sure I don't put my hand on the lock bar. Oops. So this is where medium length fingers is a bummer, right? If you had longer fingers, this is a lot easier for you to do. This is where my hands are large, are great width-wise, but when I try to do the reach around, my fingers are just a little bit shorter, and it's a little harder for me to get up there as most people with longer fingers. So yeah, that's something that's going to have to, if I want that to work a little bit nicer, I definitely need maybe to tune that just a little bit. Well, we'll see. But there you go, the BergBlades Sweeney. I like that a lot. I don't know if you're thinking of Sweeney Todd myself or something else, but yeah, there we go. Just a regular, just grab it like a regular. It works fine. It's nice. Thumb flick works fine. And let's see here. That works fine too, as long as I got the right angle. Yeah, really nice, still pretty centered. Yeah, is it? I think we are. I want to say it might be a hair to the left, but I don't know. That may just be my OCD coming in there. But that's really cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Very nice. There we go. Very cool. All right. So this is the BergBlades Sweeney. I think they may still have some available as of this video. So go check them out, if at least when I recorded this video. So if they're still available, I would highly recommend this. I am very pleasantly, very happily surprised with this. Really nice quality knife. I like the look of this. This is a really beautiful EDC. Absolutely like a church business executive nice look, but definitely will be a great workhorse. I really get the feeling this is a Riot knife. I don't think this is best tech, but it's really, really nice. Yeah, and that drop shut is really nice. It's getting there, definitely getting there. So really cool. What else? Yeah, let me try the clip real quick. We'll give it a quick shot here and see how that feels going in the pocket. Okay. Yeah, it goes in and out pretty nicely. I do like that. Very good. Very good. Okay. Again, I'm really enjoying the action. The thumb hole has got enough traction. It's not super sharp. It's not going to scrape your nail and cut you or anything, but it has enough traction to get your finger in there. You can do both the meat of your finger like that, or you can even get the nail of your finger in there if you want to. So that's really nice. Gives you a nice solid reverse. Oops. Make sure I do this right. Nice solid reverse flick. I had the Griffin Company Scout F3, and that, you know, you handle that a little differently, just like you would handle a McNeese a little differently, or any other knife, right? So everybody has a little uniqueness to it, but I do like that. Okay, squeeze grip, yeah, no hot spots there. That's good. Squeeze up on top, no hot spots. Everything rounded, really well, really comfortable. Yeah, definitely. I think. Let me give you a quick look. Let's get a nice close up here so we can see the blade and the carbon fiber together. What do y'all think? I think that's nice, right? Let's take a quick look at the blade. Make sure we get that focus. There we go. You see that? All right, we'll look at the shredded carbon fiber. Man, I bet that's going to look great in the sun. Let's look at the back. Nice clip. Beautiful satin finish. You can see the multiple angles here, this and that. So that's really nice. I love the swedge, love the tip point. It's thin, so I mean, it's not going to be, you don't want to be prying with this blade, obviously. Minimal hardware, 2 screws in front, and there's 1 screw here and 1 screw there, but I suspect that this, yeah, the other screw is going to be through this. So you relieve these 2, you unscrew that gets the clip out, you unscrew that, and that gets it off, and then you take it off from there. So really nice. All right, let's take a quick look up here. Look at the top and the back. Nice full back spacer, titanium back spacer, not a standoff. Really nice. I like the fact I have number 15. That's really cool. I like that a lot. Feels solid, feels substantial. It's not, I mean, it's not a super light knife, but it's not a super heavy knife. It just feels like it's got, to me, it's got the nice amount of weight for a knife like this. It almost feels really ideal. I really do like that a lot. So, very good. All right, so that's a Sweeney. Hey, if you guys got any questions about this knife, maybe want to get to the review, something you'd like me to talk about or look at, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions about any future unboxings, something you'd like to see covered, let me know as well. And hey, I always take recommendations for any Rob's ramblings. I'd love to hear from you. Haven't done one in a couple of weeks. I need to record something, but any ideas, I would love to hear from you guys. And I really appreciate you watching the video. This really does... I enjoy this. I enjoy unboxing and looking at new knives with you guys, so thank you. If you found this unboxing fun, interesting, worthwhile, entertaining, or just informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows me to grow, produce more content, do more things. I very much appreciate that. Thank you. And if you've done all that, maybe consider hitting your notification button so you can be notified of future content. And then maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, on Instagram, robs_nerdy_knives. Let me say that clearly. Sorry. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day and a great week. Bye.